So one of my cars, my MG, $59 a day. It's on a 3-day hire. After fees, it's $156 I receive. Now, on the day of pickup, they picked it up Christmas Day. Christmas Day, they're supposed to pick it up at 12 o'clock. They didn't arrive till 2. I gave them the benefit of the doubt because they'd said 12, and they'll be there at 12:30, and then they'll be there at 1, and they'll be there at 1:30. What do you do, right? And then meant to bring it back yesterday at 10 a.m. They messaged saying they'd like to extend it, but they'd lost their phone. Story after story after story. And here I am 2 days later, still no car, no contact, no phone, because I can't call, because they don't write back to messages. I've contacted Turo, and we'll see what happens from here. But for $150 for 3 days and probably 4 hours of my time, is it worth it? Probably not for this trip. If you judge your time, especially weekend rates or Christmas Day, public holiday rates, where you probably time and a half, you say you average at 50 bucks an hour maybe. I'm 2, 4, I came to meet them for drop off, they didn't arrive. I'm probably 6 hours into it, plus time in Turo. I'm probably $300 into it of my time, let alone about car, rego, insurance, Turo fees. But I got $156 back so far. These are the types of hires where they're definitely not worth it financially, but other ones are worth it financially. So there's good trips and bad trips. So I'll keep you posted on what happens on this one, but if this was your only car, this would be massively detrimental to you getting to work if you didn't have your car back, or your second car that you needed back. So just want to do this video to make you aware of these situations, because they do happen. This is not the first time it's happened to me. This is probably the 3rd time it's happened. Your customers, your guests do not care about your time. They do not care. All they care about is their time. Fair enough. It is what it is. But just be aware of that. They won't tell you if they're going to be late. If they are late and they want to be another day, like I live 15 minutes from where I keep my car, so it's a half-hour round trip for me. Normally a Saturday, Sunday, that's missed family time. You're missing out on a lot of time. We have 14 cars, so I do that 4 or 5 times a day. That's a lot of lost time. And I think time is the biggest thing that people don't talk about with Turo, is the amount of hours you lose by doing things like this. And then now, who knows when this car turns up? I'm gonna have to be here. If they want to be here at 8 o'clock tonight, I'll have to come here tonight and get the keys. That I don't know. So I think the one thing that's missed in the calculations of Turo a lot is the actual time you put in. You know, 9 times out of 10, it's good, it's easy, all the trips go to plan. But sometimes there's trips like these where this is probably going to be 10 hours of my time for $150 pre-tax return. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Hopefully we see this car in the next few days. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows?